Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss a beautiful case law on maintenance or section 125 of the crpc, which has gone to the level of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Two judges bench, Honorable Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt, who recently retired and now is a Professor Emeritus in Sonepet Law College, and Justice Arvind Kumar in the case of Manmohan Gopal versus State of Chhattisgarh in criminal appeal number 85 and 86 of 2021 on 20th October 2023. Issued directions for the attachment and sale of the property of the so-called defaulter husband, that is Manmohan Gopal. So you all know the provisions of section 125 crpc. No doubt, even in the Hindu Marriage Act also, there is a section for the so-called maintenance. In Domestic Violence Act also, yes, there is a section from domestic violence. But normally for the expeditious trial, the people, that is, let me check up whether the mic is. So the people, they are resorting to 125 crpc for expeditious trial because the magistrate can send him to judicial custody also if he fails to perform his part of obligation of paying the monthly maintenance to the wife. Same thing happened. The marriage took place way back in 2012 or 2013, and for 2 years only the couple lived together. The husband was working in Australia for the particular point of time, at the time itself. But slowly, after 2 years, so ill feelings or differences cropped up among them, as a result of which the woman resorted to filing of criminal cases, no doubt 498A, 420, 406, taking away her property, all these things. She has filed the case. Ultimately, she has filed a maintenance petition before the family court, Bilasapur. And they are not ordinary persons. This man, Manmohan Gopal, his father, is having a huge complex in Delhi, shopping complex in Delhi. And she has requested for the maintenance of 1 lakh per month. The family court, using its powers, ordered 1 lakh payment of monthly maintenance to be given to her, but the husband did not do it. No doubt, what happened is, in the 498A case, even though he applied for anticipatory bail and also bail, it was not granted. He could not come from Australia for that reason. Even his relatives, father, mother and others, they were also not granted bail in the initial stage. Ultimately, I think in the year 2021 or so, they were granted bail. They were arrested and later released on bail. Such is the situation. That is one type. Now, these are all orders issued ex parte, Order 9, Rule 11, you know. So, since he did not attend the court, so the ex parte order was given and maintenance was also ordered according to 125 crpc. Right? So, maintenance of 1 lakh per month. So, since it is not sufficient, she approached the High Court. High Court enhanced it to 1,27,500 because of the state of the particular woman. But he did not pay. He is going for appeal, he is going for revision for all these orders, one order after the other. So, this is the problem with the CPC and the CRPC also. So many. Now he has come for revision before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court, having gone through the entire record, came to the opinion that this man and his father, in one way or other, they wanted to dodge payment of the money to her. So therefore, they wanted to teach a lesson. Now, basing on Subrata Roy versus Union of India, and another case is also there. I forgot, I will tell you. Subrata Roy Sahara versus Union of India, 2014. Second case is Delhi Development Authority versus Skipper Constructions, 1996. So on these cases, yes, the court sumoto can ask the sale of the property. She need not ask. Of course, the attachment and sale, I have told you in section 51 of the CPC, Code of Civil Procedure. What are the modes of execution? One of them is, that is number 2. Number 1 is delivery. Second is attachment and sale, or sometimes sale without attachment also. And Order 21, right from section 67 to 79, they deal with the attachment and sale of the properties. So please remember, Honorable Supreme Court of India asked the Delhi Registry to go for the attachment of the so-called 6 shops in a row. Shop numbers 26 to 31 also they have given the number. And if the person does not pay the money, they will go for sale. Of course, option is given, doctrine of election email. Option is given to the complainant, that is Mrs., stating that if she wants to be the owner of the property, okay. If she doesn't want, they will be sold and the sale proceeds will be deposited in her account as this thing. And whenever he comes to India, he has to go to jail. Very beautiful judgment given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. They will not tolerate. Even though you have got status, even though you have got a bunch of lawyers, you can do the so-called forum shopping or bench hunting, court will not accept. One day or other, you have to face the music. That is what happened in this particular case. So, please read the case law and related case laws like Subrata Roy Sahara as well as Delhi Development Authority, and you can enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.